Sup YouTube? So check out my channel for the videos that I did on the Carhartt seat covers for the front seats if you're interested in that. But this video I'm gonna do an unbox and a quick look on this universal bench seat cover. It's the same color, it's the gravel, which is just gray. Let's just check out the box first before we open it. So it's for bench seats. It's for pretty much all kinds of just static bench seats. It does fit bench seats that have a middle flip down cup holder console, but it is not for like 60-40 bench seats where one part folds down. You get the idea. So these are nylon. They still call it duck material, but just know it's not cotton duck like the Carhartt pants. Side note, doesn't really matter, but yeah, it's Cordura. If you're familiar with Cordura, they make like different denier fabrics, 500D, 600D, 1000D. Okay, this one's made in India. Here's the barcode. It does have a rain coating on it, or a water repellent coating on it. There's the model number. So let's pop this open and we'll check it out on the bench. It's a nice gray. I think the gray is the most neutral. They have Carhartt brown and black. So I can tell right away, this is gonna hold up. This should last forever. I buy a lot of military surplus stuff and reminds me of that. It's straight up nylon with like the binding. I will put everything linked down below. I'll put all the seat covers that I use, and I'll put this one, the universal bench seat, and I'll put the universal front seats. So measure your seat first just to make sure. Just take a look at the back here. So we got some heavy duty nylon webbing, strapping, and adjustment buckles. These are much thicker than I expected, I'll tell you that. So these are like the front seat saver covers. These are like a pool noodle and wrapped in nylon, and these are going to wedge in between the seat cushion and the back part of the seat, right in the crack, and that's going to hold the cover from sliding up, which is a nice touch. So there's 3 of those. There's one in the middle, there's one on each wing, and then one in the middle, so it's going to really hold it in place. These are for your buckles, and then so on each bottom corner you have some cord and hooks. Flip this over. Got Velcro in the middle for your center console if you have one. And I just wanted to look at it on the bench just to give you a close-up. It's a nice color. Triple stitching in a lot of places. On the bottom front you do have a cinch pull. Just wanted to give you a close-up look at the material. Here's the back.